This is pretty awesome. What's going on, guys? And welcome back. This is Oscar Ramos, and the reason why I'm making this video is because I was informed late yesterday that there were many Cronos tokens being burned, and I'm like, oh well. I mean, I do check it really often, but when you guys tell me in the comments, it's golden for me, and that is why I'm on the other side of the screen in this video, because I really want to show you exactly how many were burned, although you already know it by the thumbnail and the title of this video. But it's pretty cool because I'm gonna also tell you how much money that is at the price of Cronos right now of 13 cents. And well, in other news, we just got a couple hours ago, finally, the GDP 2022 second quarter minus 0.9%. What does that mean? Well, we are in a recession, even though whoever wants to redefine that, that is officially a recession. The price of Bitcoin, the price of Cronos, the price of other altcoins kind of flat right now. Yesterday, we got a bull rally, which is pretty cool, passing a lot of the expectations that we had, which is totally fine. So it's going to be exciting how we end this weekend. As always, be ready. So don't forget to smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells, everybody. Welcome back. Super happy that you're here. Okay. We are on Etherscan. We are filtered by the dead wallet, which this is exactly where we see all the tokens being sent to this wallet mean that they're out of circulation. And I mean, that is the proper way to burn it, right? Usually you're going to start seeing your 9, your 300, your 591, because at 13 cents each crow is not that much money. But here's where the fun starts. It all started, I have to go to the second page. And as soon as I go to the second page, I'm going to show you here. It starts somewhere right about, I believe, here. So we got our first 6 million. And just 6 million is a lot, right? But it doesn't stop there. That was at 28 right here, 8 hours and 43 minutes ago. So pretty much, earlier today. So starting on a rampage 6167667. So that is more than 30 million Crocon being burned. And I know the total supply, as we can tell on Cronos, here on CoinMarketCap, we're looking at 30 billion total supply, and the circulating is 25 billion. But I mean, roughly, if I see that, for example, on Shiba Inu, Terra Luna Classic, it's a very good size amount. But now on Cronos, I think makes total sense, because I'm going to tell you how much that is. Then we have today, well, on this first page, we have a 7 million. Then we come up another 7 million, 6 million, 7 million, 7 million, 6 million. Then we have a 6 million. And then we come up, and that's pretty much the last one. This occurred roughly 7 hours ago. So early today, Central Time. And that, my friends, I'm going to go ahead and bring my calculator. That's roughly going to be above 90 million Crocon burn at a price of 13 cents today. That is more than $11 million gone. Wow. I mean, that is a complete retirement package, not only for one person, but for multiple people. So some of you own 100,000 crows, some of you own 1 million or less than 1,000. I mean, just gotta tell you, people are burning this. Roughly, these are different wallets, right? I mean, with different purposes, exchanges, trust, I mean, whatever it is, DAOs even, I mean, who knows? But wow, what a service. Because at the end of the day, it is good that we're reducing the circulating supply. Not only we do it, but also crypto.com does it with a 200 million burn earlier this year. That is not bad at all. Now, let's go back to where we know we are. And plus, having this news, everybody, as I mentioned, breaking 2 hours ago. Plus, even ComBureau says we fell by 0.90% in Q2. That's the 2 negative quarters of economic growth. But remember, it's not a recession. He's making a fun of, what's going on right now with this current administration, kind of like redefine the definition. In my opinion, it is a recession. Welcome it. And if we're going to see much lower prices, welcome. I mean, let them come, baby. Because I know a lot of you in the down in the comments, and you guys are telling me we want to see more bloody Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and everything. I welcome that. Take a look at this, everybody. Last month, we were at extreme fear. And last month, prices of, June, we were coming down roughly to the 10 cent, 9 cents. But right now, we are just above a couple more cents. And we're looking at fear. And it's actually pretty less than I was expecting, because we went all the way with Bitcoin with a nice pump after the numbers from the interest rates were, added 75 basis points yesterday. So a bunch of news coming up. Now, of course, I'm going to show you the price of Crocoin as we're used to. And I'm gonna tell you this, guys. I think it's too early to call what's going to happen. It's too early to call what's going to happen. I do have my channels. I do have my charts. I have, for example, two of my supports. Support and resistance. We haven't been anywhere close to this resistance of 18 cents. And I mean, a jump from 13 to 18 cents is pretty much not much, not even, 2x or so. But I mean, it helps a lot. But you have to remember, I have to close this once again. From here, the 12th of June to the 12th of July, I mean, we're going to come to the second month under this support, which is going to be helping us out to come even higher, right? But here, we haven't passed the 9 cents. In my opinion, is healthy. From here to here, Crocoin has burned more than 100 million tokens, which is not bad. I think Bitcoin and Crocoin are performing pretty steady. We can see, I think, a growth putting higher lows. Higher low here, higher low here, higher low here. So that is, in my opinion, the winning golden nugget of what we're seeing right now. If you're understanding what I'm saying, we are putting higher lows, everybody. This is fantastic. This was 10 cents coming close to 11. This was 11 cents. So we can put at 12 cents on the next pullback. That'll be great, because at that point, I think it's going to be the bottom of the RSI 4 hours. That's when I want to come in for Bitcoin or for Crocoin, whichever you want. Also for Bitcoin, as we start seeing it, I have to close this once again. The 18th of June, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. That is amazing. That in itself is a winning sign. But with recession officially being, introduced to the markets, what is the response of the economy gonna be? I know there's a strong labor market and people have money to spend at this time, but everything's more expensive. So of course there's a catch there. Everyone, we got 11, almost $12 million burning Crocoin. That is amazing. I think those are really good news at the end of the day, helping the supply go down. So let's go. Are we gonna see more of these millions coming in? Well, let me know in the comments down below what you think. But this helps you and I, because if you're holding or staking at 12%, or with the card, it's making the value go much higher. Once we have a bull market, that's, I think, when we're really gonna be getting out of the 20s and 30 cents and putting ourselves in a really good position to see roughly 50 cents, 40 cents as we go on. But just always remember, stay put with taking profits, because if you don't do it, somebody else will. How exciting, right? I'll see you next time, everybody. Like, subscribe, and take a look at the links down below. There's a bunch of things for you. Peace.